everyone, Antoinette here, and welcome to Decorating Anne's Place. Well, today I'm really thrilled to be introducing to all YouTube creators and non-YouTube creators who may be interested a new and exciting recurring monthly collaboration hosted by myself and co-hosted every month by a different YouTube creator, and that is Antonette'S Vignettes. Antonette'S Vignettes will take place the first Tuesday of every month at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will ask a different YouTube creator to co-host with me, as I mentioned, and the month before I will always post on my community tab who that new co-host will be and the theme of the following month's vignette video. So, for those that don't know or aren't quite certain, what is a vignette? It is simply a display of 3 or more of your favorite decor items, accessories that you place together either on a tray or a cloth or some sort of tabletop or on some sort of surface like a coffee table, a countertop, a credenza, a shelf, anything that you desire. It is open for you to create what you like. And so for the first ever Antonette'S Vignettes on Tuesday, June 1st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the theme is Life Gave Me Lemons. So the operative word being lemons, run with it, be as creative as you desire. And I'm so excited that my very first Antonette'S Vignettes co-host is Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic. Antoinette is an absolutely lovely lady with a DIY YouTube channel who is quite respected and revered within the DIY YouTube community. She is wonderful, and how perfect that she's a DIYer, because in the Antonette'S Vignettes videos, you as the creator are more than welcome to make a DIY and incorporate it into your vignette. So what I will be doing is adding all the rules at the end of this video once I stop talking. If you are watching on a phone, you're more than welcome to take a screenshot and then save it. That might be a good way for you to refer to all the time. Or just please visit my community tab often, and I will always update you the month before for the upcoming Antonette'S Vignette video. So to all the YouTube creators who will be joining me, thank you so much. Please comment below if you will be taking part in the very first one in June. To Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic, thank you so much for agreeing to be my first co-host. I will remember you forever. That is wonderful. I'm so grateful, and I'm so excited to be working with you. You are so lovely, and I'm honored, truly. And thank you for watching, everyone. Have a beautiful day. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. I'm more than happy to answer any questions, and I'm excited. I hope you are too. Take care.